What's up, y'all? It's your girl Chingaling, and I'm back again. Y'all already know I'm featuring these new waist snatchers we got. Check them out, check them out. I'm gonna show y'all a couple workout scenes as well. But y'all, we have the new purple passion waist snatcher. Y'all see it's like a metallic purple color. We have the golden net waist snatcher. Okay, if y'all want to get snatched, why y'all ain't got this shit? I don't understand. We have a new waist snatcher, y'all. It actually zips up. It's a lot easier for you. We carry these snatchers up to 6X, so it don't matter what size you are. We also gonna have extra small for those chicks out there who's tiny but they want an extra curve. Last but not least, y'all, we got the pinky sweat set. Okay, if you want to sweat, I got this for y'all. It actually zips up. It's just like a sports bra, nice and cute, perfect, pink, girly, you feel me? And then we have the pants to go with it, y'all. This actually zips up as well to accentuate that shape that you're trying to get. And yes, you will sweat in it. So if you're trying to sweat, this is for you. Make sure y'all go check out the website. I don't know what you're waiting for. Everything is $20 off right now. $20 off. So go get it. Make sure y'all check it out. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, okay? Get snatched. You feel me? Get snatched. Hey guys, it's your girl Ching back with a Y. Today we are going to be making a lace frontal unit, 613 blonde color. It's about to be lit, y'all. Right now we are measuring out where our ears are at, and then we're going to place some clips there so that we will know. Guys, we're going to be using the hot glue method today for this unit. So yeah, stay with your girl. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Make sure you hit that bell just so that you never miss an upload. Yes, guys, I am also using for this wig, guys, I will be using 3 bundles of 613, 2 24 inches and then a 22 inch. And I believe the closure or the frontal was 20 inches or 22 inches. I don't remember exactly. So I'm using 3 bundles and a frontal. So yeah, guys, let's get started. Oh, and also I will be using the elastic band method to secure this unit. So I'm going to be using the extra band that I cut off in the end that you guys see to secure this unit as well.